Thank you for choosing Star Rolling Shutter Malaysia. I'm going to explain to you the basic function, objective and the operation mode of a non-insulated fire shutters. The main objective and the purpose for a fire shutters is to compartmentalize your building in the event of fire, to help to prevent the further spread of smoke and fire. Upon receive the signal from your building fire alarm system, the shutters will close down automatically by the motor. Fire shutter motor also equipped with a standard manual override change for the event of emergency and power failure. To operate the manual override chain, simply pull down the chain and drop it into the floor, and make sure you pull the chain into the correct direction. In Malaysia and most of the country, a thermal fusible link is required by law for the fire shutters. The purpose for the thermal fusible link is to ensure the closure of a fire shutter in the event of fire. When the temperature around the thermal fusible link reaches about 70 Celsius, the shutter will close automatically by gravity, even without electrical power. Now, let me introduce you Star Rolling Advanced Shutter Controller. For some building, it required a more complex interfacing and interaction between the fire shutters and the building smart system. Star Rolling Shutters Advanced Shutter Controller can fulfill this requirement. The basic function for the Advanced Shutter Controller, including the input and the output for various signals. And the fire shutter controller can also individually connect to heat sensor, smoke detector, sirens, and buzzer. Star Rolling Advanced Shutter Controller can be customized based on the customer need. To ensure your roller shutter motor is able to continue to operate in the event of power failure, the customer has the option to install uninterrupted power supply for the roller shutter motor. The UPS uninterrupted power supply is particularly useful for a critical entrance. It's to ensure in the event of power failure, the building operator is still able to continue to operate the shutters for a short period of time with electrical power.